This is a short video on digestion. So the buccal cavity, also known as the mouth, releases saliva at the smell of food, and then even more so when the food is in the mouth. The saliva, which is released from the saliva glands, contains an enzyme called amylase, which breaks down the carbohydrates. This is the first part of digestion, where the food begins to be broken down by chewing and by chemical breakdowns. The food then goes down the pharynx, also known as the throat, then to the esophagus, which is the muscular tube which has peristalsis contractions to move the food down towards the stomach. In the stomach, there is a strong acid which helps to break down food alongside the proteins breaking down the proteins. There is then chyme in the stomach, which is a semi-fluid of partially digested food. The stomach acts as an acid bath, where the food is all mixed up. There are 3 extra organs which help in absorption. The liver, this creates bile, which helps to digest food along with the lipase, released in the liver, also helping to digest fats. After this process, the food has been detoxified, and the nutrients have been absorbed. Then in the gallbladder, there is more bile added due to it being an extra store, which contracts and releases for more bile to be released into the system. The pancreas acts as an enzyme factory, which releases all 3 enzymes. The protease reacts to break down protein, which then converts to amino acids. The amylase is an enzyme which breaks down carbohydrates into glucose, as well as this lipase enzyme breaks down fats and creates fatty acids. Next in the process is the kidneys, which help to purify. This is done by the blood filtration. This therefore removes waste and toxins, which travel through the duodenum to the small intestine. The small intestine acts as a blender to separate the good and bad minerals, and then that they are absorbed. Also, the small intestine liquidizes the remaining products. They then travel through the cecum, which is a passageway to the large intestine. In the large intestine, the water is extracted, allowing for a solid mixture to be left, separating the harmful toxins and bacteria. These are then moved to the rectum, which sends a signal to the brain to allow the brain to know the body is ready for excretion. Removing the harmful bacteria and toxins, this waste product is removed through the anus.